Hello. All right. Hello. Welcome to Side Mentoring Monday. I am Tiberius. We've got a few people in chat, I can see. Actually, I need to adjust the brightness of my prompter because I cannot read the names apparently now. Where the fuck is the brightness? There we go. Okay, cool. Excellent. Arubius, hello. Hexy, T-Set Guy, Fishbone. Okay, the green does not come up very well, but that's ending with Ali. Hello. Reb. Oh, sorry, Rebel CS. There we go. I should really adjust the settings on this, shouldn't I? Hang on. Appearance. I'm using Restream's chat, so it's kind of complicated, but there we go. If I just remove the color from author names, that's a lot better. now everything's in gray. I can see this. This is good. All right, excellent. Cool. What are we gonna do? I don't know. This the stream has been a bit chaotic. So, firstly, I'm not feeling too good, but I'm feeling all right to do a stream. Then, for some reason, my mic wasn't working. So I had to restart my entire computer. Now the mic is apparently working. Looks like it is, anyway. And yeah, I have literally no idea what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure it out. All right. Oh my goodness, Track It Pace is in. Track It Pacer watching from Twitter. Awesome. Track It Pacer was telling me the other day she wanted to catch one of my streams, but she's always at work. I assume she's also at work, just watching Twitter. Yes, I stream. So I stream to Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, and Kick. Only because I only stream to Kick because my Restream account lets me stream to 5 different platforms, and I was like, well, I might as well get my money's worth and stream to a 5th one. So yeah, I do say to people though who are watching, like, the streams are way better to watch on Twitch, because you can enter the marble giveaways, and you can do channel point redemptions. Like, Twitch is just the best streaming platform. But the chat is all, like, the chat you see on the screen and the chat I read on my prompter is all from different platforms. So I can see, like, we got most people from Twitch, but we've also got Hamza from YouTube, obviously Track It Pacer from Twitter. I haven't seen anyone from LinkedIn yet.
I don't give a shit about your opinion. Get fucked.
But if you are on LinkedIn, let me know. If you're watching on LinkedIn. Have you been out of the planet? Discord is on fire. I've been dealing with it, T-Set Guy. Have you not noticed? I've been banning the spammers. Alright? What's my LinkedIn? If you look at what Streamlabs just posted, it's there. Okay, I've been trying to configure. I don't know. I need some. It's honestly, if people want to be some mods of my Discord server just to deal with setting up maybe the auto mod. I have got auto mod running. It's just apparently not very good, or my settings are just really bad. So if anyone has experience with auto mod on Discord and wants to help me out, please let me know. I see your Udemy courses are very highly rated, but also haven't been updated in years. Would you still recommend them? Is there information in them that is outdated? I tried to. So when I tried to make them, I tried to make it like generic and not very specific to certain things. So it's more like different kinds, like kernel exploits, are obviously going like, you know, kernel exploits are kernel exploits. If you know exactly how one works, you kind of know how they all work in terms of finding them and compiling the code. But so in that case, they're not outdated. But obviously, yeah, there's some stuff that obviously I just haven't been able to update for various reasons. I do plan on updating them at some point as well. So yeah. Hang on. You need an actual human being to do the deed. Just to go, you're a mod. You're a mod in my Discord. I blame you entirely. Nice shirt, just don't go to the first century AD, please. Generally, Samo, I love you, man. I'm sorry the short got you so much freaking I don't know, so many stupid comments. Yeah, I got this from Shmoocon. This is actually the Shmoocon shirt, you can see that. Leon's a mod too. Is he? On my Discord? I know Maticus is. I forget who I added. On Twitch. Yeah, on Twitch. Not on... We're talking about Discord, Jessica. Can I catch up? Alright, where have we got here? Send you a LinkedIn request. Okay, so I gotta say, I don't use LinkedIn as a... I use LinkedIn purely for promotional reasons. You can follow me on LinkedIn. I do not accept connections anymore. I know I've got like over 500. I've been slowly deleting them. When I first joined LinkedIn as a creator, I just accepted connections from everyone, and then I realized how much work that would be. So my general rule for LinkedIn is I will connect with you if I know you in real life. All right. I thought I'm just staff. Staff is what I call moderators on Discord, just to go. You didn't accept my LinkedIn Connect either, sad time. Yeah, because I don't accept LinkedIn Connect. I don't even have my real name on LinkedIn. Like, I have it purely for a creator account. Right? So, like, that's it. But yeah. Okay, what are we gonna do, chat? So, I did something stupid. I upgraded my Kali VM, and then I connected my old... I guess it's not really stupid, but I basically have a half-working Kali VM right now. For various things. It still works, it's fine. But, yeah. Hack something. I came here to hack. Yes! Track it, Pacer, we will hack. Your real name isn't Tibia. I know. Amazing, isn't it? To be honest with you, at some point I'm probably just going to... It's got to the point where I think almost everybody uses their real name anyway now. Like, back when I started in hacking, like, we all just used... aliases, and it was good for a while. But like almost everybody these days just uses their real name and an alias. Like Nahamsek is Ben, and I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce his last name out of respect for him. Obviously, John Hammond is John Hammond, and then his handle is _ John Hammond. All right, you always have remember to pronounce the underscore. That's important. That's his hacker name. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, and so it's got to the point where like Jay Haddix is Jason Haddix. That Juan Hammock. Yes, track it exactly. Juan Hammock is his real hacker name, as we all know. It would feel weird to call you by a real name. I mean, probably. Like, but that's the thing. Like, it would. It's got to. Honestly, it's got to the point where. There's a lot of people who know my real name in the community anyway, because either I've worked with them or we've just met, and it just seemed weird not to introduce yourself. The real name isn't Tiberius. It's not. No, Tiberius is my only feat name. I have multiple names. Tiberius is my hacker name. Tiberius is my OnlyFeet name. And also it's my Steve Harvey name for when I do Feet Feud at DEF CON. Obviously. And then I have my actual real name, which, as I said, more people in this industry know just because they've worked with me now in a professional capacity. So it's got to the point where I'm like, do I even... Is there any point? At some point I'm going to get doxxed, or I'm going to dox myself. Technically I've already doxed myself on the stream multiple times. I mean, friggin' like last week, didn't I bring up Google Maps and it literally just loaded my town? I mean, everyone knew I lived in Massachusetts anyway, but there you go. If you want to see the town I live in, it's a shit town, but anyway, yeah, well, I think a couple of years ago I accidentally doxed myself. Are you a US or a UK streamer? How dare you, sir? How dare you? Everybody who watches my streams knows that I'm a US streamer. You have this... Look, an accent doesn't make you British. Alright? I, sir, am a proud American, and I also have a really cool accent that a lot of Americans seem to enjoy. You went to frickin' Hogwarts? I did. Oh, yeah, Track It probably hasn't seen where I went to university. That'll be funny. All right. So this is where I went to university. Oh wait, that's a bad. There we go. There's a nice image. So we did this. This was discovered. So my friend Al Hasred, who also streams, he did a review of our resumes once, and I sent my resume in because obviously, you know, my resume has been highly successful, and then he noticed that so I redacted it heavily. Obviously, I redacted my name and various other things, but what I didn't redact was the name of my university, and he was like, Royal Holloway? What kind of a university name is Royal Holloway? And I'm like, yeah, if you thought that was... I was like literally typing in chat, I was like, seriously, Google image search it. If you think Royal Holloway... if you think Royal Holloway is a fun name, you should see the castle. So a fun fact about Royal Holloway, it was actually... it was built... as an all-girls university in the 1800s. And then I think in the 80s, 1980s, they started accepting men. And I believe it still has a ridiculously... I think the proportion of women to men is something like 7. I think it's like three women for every man or something. Which is not the reason I went, okay? I want to make that very clear. Okay? I went because they have a really good information security course, and this was back in 2010. All right? Okay. This is back in 2010. They were the so actually not even when I graduated in 2010. Oh god. Yeah, this is back in 2008 I went to university. At the time in the UK, they were pretty much the only university that had a computer science and information security sort of combination. Okay, now they all do. But Royal Holloway was realistically the first university in England to have a computer science department that had information security as a sort of big thing. How do you like this side of the... Like, UK? UK sucks. I hate UK. Alright, should we do a marble race? Let's do a marble race. That's not marble racing. Shit. There we go. Track It gets to experience the marble racing for the first time. Alright, random. Sure, let's do this one. Okay, if you're on Twitch, and only Twitch, exclamation point play. This is for a giveaway, by the way. Exclamation point play in the chat will enter you into the marble race. We are doing giveaways still. I do actually... Okay, yeah, so... After that, maybe we'll actually start giving stuff out, because I have a long list of vouchers I need to actually give to people, and I feel really bad because I just haven't been getting around to it. This is basically on behalf of VX Underground. VX Underground gave me some money for winning a trivia contest, and we've been slowly giving it back to the community via these giveaways. Exclamation point play in chat if you want to join the giveaway. Let's start the countdown. Nice win, Elon. Exactly, yes. You don't know what this is, but I'm excited. Oh, Track It's great. This is marble racing. This is what we do on stream to do giveaways. So basically, you get a marble. You don't have any control over your marble. Although if you want, you can just type exclamation point boost, because everyone else seems to. That only works in a certain mode, but whatever. So you have a marble, it's randomly placed, and then it's dropped. And even though literally everything is deterministic, because of course it is, it's a computer, it's still fun, because nobody knows how it's going to end. Only the computer does. Obviously, if I win, or one of my mods wins, we double the voucher, and we re-race. MSEC first to the hole. Layout beating... Okay, oh, hang on. There's like 3 Track It there as well. MSEC and Layout. Oh my god, that's like... You're like perfectly aligned. Okay, MSEC going through. Oh no, Layout. There we go. Layout's making it perfect run. Look at that. Layout with the boost. Now, can you get through here? No. Track It pace is coming for you.
Thank you for following.
Leia, I think, though, is going to win this. Nicely done. Did you beat the record? No. Okay, you didn't beat the record. Oh my god, everyone's dying. Track It's still alive, though. Track It is going to come either 4th or 5th on her first marble race. 4th place for Track It. I was even close. That's all good, Ali. Do not worry. Okay, Layout. So you won a voucher. What kind of voucher do you want? We've got Hack the Box, we've got Try Hack Me, we've got Pentest Labs.
Rick? I don't give a shit about your opinion. Get fucked.
Yep, thank you. That was the... That was Gar. Alright, well done, Layout. Fortunately, you did not beat the world record, which is 47 seconds. So, Layout, let me know in chat what do you want. Hack the Box, good choice. Alright, we'll do Hack the Box. Should we do another one? Let's do another one, screw it. Let's do another race. Let's do a community map, because they're insane. Okay, let's try and not get an elimination rate above 50%. 7% is not enough. There we go, 32%, that's good. Alright, these are community-made maps, so they're very freaking crazy, but... Oh, I have a text. Okay, someone who redeemed it? Elna Ruby redeemed text to British speech, and of course they want me to say a bottle of water. But you don't want me to say a bottle of water, do you? You want me to say a bottle of water. That's what you want me to say. There you go. You can clip that. Alright, exclamation point play in chat. Okay. Exclamation point play if you want to play. We'll do the giveaway, and then we'll also we'll actually start the stream for real. Dang it, the ads got me. Oh shit. Someone gift Track It Pace for a sub.
Thank you for following. New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude.
Thank you, Zero Karen.
Dispensed. Thank you for following.
Layout's in the lead again. What? Okay, no, he's not. Yeah, so I have ads on my so that is that's the one. Oh, the one downside of Twitch is obviously I have ads just to support the stream. This is how the streams are possible, to be fair. However, if you subscribe, then you don't get ads. So, oh god, there we go. But thank you, Zero Kieran, for gifting Track It Pacer a sub. All the money I make off the stream, by the way, pretty much goes back into the stream. It's how we do the giveaways. Well done, 573918. I don't know if that's a reference to anything. What badge do you want? Al, you came 7th this time. Track It Pacer is stuck on the is stuck on this thing. There we go.
I don't give a shit about your opinion. Get fucked.
Track it. You're not like Oblicium. Will Oblicium get through? That was quite fun. How long you spent there? Oh my goodness. Oh no, you didn't. I misread. All right, no, you didn't. Okay, unfortunately, did not beat the world record. But, okay. So 573918, right? Yes, 573918 wants hack the box. Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, we'll do some more of that later. What are we gonna do, chat? What are we gonna do? We'll do a poll. Web Academy. There really isn't anything on Proving Grounds anymore, is there? I guess we'll put Proving, because obviously we can always just replay the Proving Grounds boxes. Yeah, okay, let's just do those. Do those 4. There we go. We got a poll going. Which platform do you want to hack on? The VM's fine. It's just hasn't got most of my tools set up. But that's okay. Are there some good actual Hack the Box boxes for once? Is that what we're saying? Are there some decent Hack the Box machines now? Because you know my issue with Hack the Box on Cyber Mentoring Monday is... God, the easy boxes aren't easy. We could do some of the challenges, though. Hack the Box just won the landslide. Okay, I think my issue is I don't have... Wheel spin redeem? Have I got one? I do. Okay, hang on. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. So, this is not something I wanted to actually try. So... Oh crap! Never mind. I was going to say I got a new alert thing to do channel point redemptions, but I don't think I've got enough time to actually implement it properly. I'll have to do that after the stream, I think. All right, here we go. Wheel spinny time.
Thank you for following.
Maticus Maximus. All right, we know what that is.
Maticus Maximus!
Maticus Maximus! Maticus Maximus!
Is he even here? All right, I need to figure out. Best redeem. It is the best redeem, yeah. Okay, hang on. Okay. He isn't around much. Yeah, he is. Most of my channel point redemptions, my sound effects are from Al streams. Oh god, come on. Really? It signed me out? Ugh. Stay signed in for a month. There we go. Don't save. I don't want to save the password. Okay, we're back. There we go. Okay, should we do challenges then? Is this gonna work? Are these retired? Okay, all categories. We're clearly just gonna do web. Nice. Okay. How do these only have 36 solves? VIP. I don't understand. So I guess that, okay, these clearly aren't easy. Let's sort by user solves, I guess. Templated. All right, here we go. So now we get into the good stuff. All right, let's just work our way down through these. Very easy's always been a difficulty on the challenges, I believe. Okay, start playing the challenge. I do need to download my... Actually, do I? Media disk 2. Excellent. Okay, I don't. Let's make directory, hack the box, copy. What? It's lab, right? Oh, come on. So basically, this is my old VM's disk. What? Permission denied. Oh, do I need to sudo? Hang on. I think I just need to sudo this. Wait, why is this taking so long? What is going on? There we go. All right. Lab Tiberius to home Tiberius. Make the box. And then we'll just own it. Ah, come on. Oh, it's the user. I'm an idiot. I don't know. I do know how to use Linux. Alright, it might not look like it right now, but I do. I promise. Crap, there we go. Alright, now we can maybe... Nice. Alright, do I have... I probably even don't have OpenVPN installed, do I? I do, okay. Is it just -C? I think it is. No, it's --config. There we go. Alright, cool. Alright, the other thing I don't have on here is Burp Suite Pro, so we're just going to use Burp Suite. We should be fine. Okay, hopefully we should be able to reach this. Okay, good. Temporary project, please. Do I have the most important tool installed? AutoRecon? AutoRecon won't be very useful here, but I believe I have it installed. I do, yay. Alright, so, we'll wait for Burp to load. I'm imagining, yeah, this is going to be... God. Let's turn dark mode on, right? Dark mode, and we'll set...
New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
Set font size to 16. Thank you, Jackson, for resubscribing for 13 months in a row. Okay, and then we'll change the font here to 16. There we go, now it should at least be readable. King Thorin is here, you should use Zap. We don't usually use Zap on... Actually, no, we do use Zap on Supplementary Monday, don't we? I can turn the redemption thing on, I guess. if someone wants to redeem it. Site is still under construction. Proudly powered by Flask/Ginger2. Okay. So that's interesting. So probably actually want to use Ferox Buster or something to try and find some directories. Of course, instantly MSEC redeems it. Ginger 2 is SSTI? Exactly. This is what I'm thinking. But the thing is, you have to actually find something. Okay, dash U. Okay, word list is going to be... we're just going to use the auto recon word list. Yeah, we'll just see how that goes. Why are there a bunch of 404s that are getting flagged, though? This is weird. Come on. Okay, so it's it's reflecting stuff back. Hang on. Alright, let me just start Zap. Oh, wait a minute. Is that not installed by default? What the... What? You guys need to, oh my god, why is it so slow as well? I thought the new version of Kali was supposed to be fast. You guys were telling me how fast it was. This is, like, lagging massively. And now it's just... You know what, Ali? I would run Ali Linux. If you finish the damn thing, I would love to run Ali Linux. How much RAM did I give it? I give it a lot of RAM. Holy shit, it's hard to. I know. Finishing things... like, finishing things like Corsairs, entire operating systems... What's Ali Linux? You don't, like, tell me you don't watch Ali streams without telling me you don't watch Ali streams. You need to go subscribe to Ending with Ali. She is making a custom version of Kali Linux, except everything has been replaced with her. It's awesome. Like, she put her head on the dragon. Like, the dragon image that you get as the background here. I can actually, like, Ali's head is just there. It's great. But it's an awesome project watching how to customize a Linux operating system anyway. There we go. There's Zap. Also, it's great because Kali Linux, Ali Linux, perfect. Love it. Like, it's literally 11 out of 10 trolling. It's great. I love it. It's perfect. Skill issue. Mod me or give me a... What? Oh, okay, you want me to mod you? Okay, I can mod you. That is true, because you are... There we go. I am mod on your stream. It is only fair. Okay, we finally opened Zap. Unable to use port. Yeah, we'll do that. Cool. A big funding zap announcement. Okay, that's good. Need a Kaido redeem too? No. Look, at least Zap has like features. Okay, so we've discovered that if you do something like spam, this gets reflected back. Which means does stuff like this get reflected back? No. So I assume, can we just do something stupid like this? Ha ha ha! Uh-oh. Okay, so what are we doing here, chat? Why did this work? So what's happening is they've set up a... This is Ginger. We knew this is Ginger. Right. So what's happening is they have a templating system where they're basically taking whatever they put as the path here, and if it doesn't exist, he outputs this page, and then they output the path name, except what they're doing when they're outputting the path name is they're not doing it correctly. There's vulnerability. They're directly basically placing this. They're placing it directly, or they're rendering the template string and just passing the path name directly into the template string. They're not using template variables. And what this means is we can just pass this. Let me actually go here. Basically, it's this payload. All right. So this is a very common template payload. These are curly. So the curly braces basically denote that there is a variable or expression, right? And then 7*7 is just 7 times 7, which is obviously 49, and that's why it's. Hang on. Yeah, that's why you get 49 here. So other things you could try. Especially in Ginger, you can do something like self. And then you get this thing. So that's cool. Why is that a security flaw? Isn't that client-side? No, it's not client-side. Look. That's actually a good point, though. There is a client-side version of this, which is client-side template injection. And how you determine if this is not client-side, right, is you right-click and you go view page source. And if the source code has 49, then you know it's not client-side. Okay? So you know that this was executed on the server and returned as the actual source code of the page. So what we can do is go to Hacktricks, SSTI, because SSTI is extremely dangerous. Okay, it's not very common, but when you do find it, it's extremely common in CTFs for some reason. I really hate it, but basically, actually, you know what? I could probably do my Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay, so what we do here, the problem with SSTI is once you've found the template engine, you have to basically so all the template engines use different things, and if you're looking, is that like an STD? No, it is not like an STD. All right, so basically, once you found the template engine, which in this case is pretty easy because it told us it was using Ginger, but you can figure that out in various ways. Hang on. So like self-worked So like if you do self and then Google like this, I'm sure you'll find stuff like, let's just Google it. Yeah, so you get Python, Ginger 2, right? That's pretty good. Then you can go to this to doubly confirm it. You can see, so basically, that doesn't make sense. That won't give an error. Why is this wrong? Okay, I don't understand quite why they're doing this. This is wrong. This clearly gives 49. But what you can do is you can do this now. So if we feed it this payload instead. Alright, so that payload was subtly different. So we have 7 times 7, which obviously equals 49. However, because you're using Python, in Python you can do this cool thing, where if you multiply a string by a number, you get that string repeated. Bonzo, thank you for the tier 1 sub. 21 months in a row. Thank you so much. So 7 times 7 is clearly 49, but 7 times the string 7, right? In Python, it means, hey, take that string, 7, and just repeat it 7 times. And so what you get here is this. All right, so that's another way of confirming it. Okay. You can also do this config thing. So let's try config. Oops. There we go. So config basically prints out a lot of... Let me zoom out. Because these are just variables, right? The config variable exists in Flask. Okay? And so the config variable, if you just pass it to a template, will just dump all the contents of the config variable here. Cool. Okay. Where are we? But we can do more than that, can't we, chat? We can do... remote code, because basically we can just execute Python code. Realistically, we can execute any kind of Python code. There isn't really any limitation here. And so if we go down to... Let's just copy this entire block. So we can just copy this. And go here. Nope. Oh, there we go. So all this payload does... We'll keep this payload. Here we go.
Oh, God. What is this, Tiberius?
This, Al, glad you could join us. Al, good question by Al, because Al doesn't really do web stuff that often. So this is SSTI. Okay. So what we're doing here, we're referencing the self variable. Now in Python, self is... If you're using objects in Python, self is always basically available to reference. It's basically just the current object. So whatever current object is referencing, which in this case would be, I believe, the Ginger 2 parser. All right? Because obviously the Ginger 2 parser is parsing this. So self would refer to that. And then you can grab this template reference context attribute. Okay? Which that attribute then has a cycler, probably an object. And then basically what you can do here is you can kind of... This is basically a gadget chain of sorts. So effectively, in object-oriented programming especially, because objects contain other objects and can reference other objects via attributes and functions and stuff, it's quite easy to get from one object to another object, and even from an object to some arbitrary function. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're basically calling the init. I'm not sure if that's an attribute or a method. It must be an attribute actually. So we're calling init attribute globals. The globals attribute basically stores a global a global list of available libraries, I believe. We can actually probably just do this. So we can just replace like with that. There we go. So maybe if we go view page source, it'll be a little bit better. No, okay. But you can see what's happening here. So we are currently in the Ginger 2 utils library. Incoming raid from H8 Handles. Thank you for raiding. Party of 11. How was your stream? It ain't much, but it's what I have. Hey man, I'm just happy you're here. Okay, so basically, and then you can see this. There's all this crap, right? So we got all the built-in functions, right? ASCII function here, dir function here, exec function here. But somewhere down the line, you can grab the OS library, which is the operating system library, right? Which has a bunch of things for executing system calls, functions, and we're basically going to call popen, process open. We're going to open the ID process, which runs it, and then we're going to read the results. Okay? So basically with this, what this does, it's a lovely little gadget chain that allows us to just execute any arbitrary command.
Thank you for following.
On the server. In this case, we can just run ID. And if we want to grab... if we want to get a... I haven't got RevShellGen installed, have I? Damn it. How do I install
Thank you for
RevShellGen?
following.
What are we doing here? Let's just get RevShellGen. Now I can't remember if I installed it. I'm just going to clone it here for now. Cool. Okay. Let's do netcat. And the IP is 10.10.15.14. Okay, we can't do netcat. Maybe just... Can we just do bash, maybe? Let's try bash. Cool. Can I wrap this now? There we go. Alright, we've wrapped it. Let's go here. No, what am I doing? There we go. Okay, we put it up here now, and did not work. Probably because we need to surround this, I imagine. We need to do --C with quotes, I think. Use dark mode? Yeah, I need to set up dark mode on it. Oh, hang on, it's using AMS. I need to URL encode it. My ending quotes are oh, they are. That's true as well. I probably need to URL encode this as well, to be honest with you. Let's do a URL encoder. There we go. Nope. Okay, interesting. I wonder if we're even supposed to get. We may not even be supposed to be able to get a remote shell on this one. We can try just using netcat, I guess. Or at least doing something like curl 15, 14. Yeah, okay, it's not reaching back on 4444. You can't get it to spit out the SSH. There probably isn't SSH count. SSH which curl? Yeah, that's a good point. Maybe curl isn't there. No, curl is there. All right. Can we ping? I guess. Do -C as well. Well, wget won't work either. 100% packet loss. Yeah, there we go. We can't even ping. Yeah, it won't need a reverse shell. You're right. Yep. So this is a good though, right? These containers are on the internet. No, we don't need ngrok, so I'm connected to the VPN. So basically, we can probably just do ls. There's the flag.txt. All right. Templates are more powerful than you think. I mean, are they? All right. Use Zap's requester. I mean, there's no point. Where do I submit the flag? There we go. Any questions about that? That was a very easy challenge.
Thank you for following. Thank you for following.
Thank you for following Coincidence, LOL, and Goddammer. All right. Any questions? They didn't even put it in the root, www root. They put it in the actual root. See the bin boot dev etc flag. What do we do? Okay, so we figured out that this server, right? If you go to the root directory of the server, it says its site's still under construction, but it's powered by Flask/Ginger2. Okay. When we were enumerating directories, we figured out that if you just put anything that didn't exist, right? So just a random 44, it would reflect the value back to you, which is interesting. So then we put a very basic SSTI payload, right? 7x7. And we got 49 back, and we confirmed that if we open this in the page source, it is actually 49. From there, it was basically just a matter of looking up the Ginger 2 SSTI RCE code. Yeah. Very secure coding. Okay. So let's hang on, wait a minute. Let's kind of annoying how it switches off retired. I only want retired challenges. I want web categories. And we want to sort by user solves. Okay, should we do phone book? I should probably put the subject on, right? Hack the box challenges. There we go. Okay. We got a login page. No, I don't want the Zap HUD. How do I turn off the Zap HUD? Oh, what? There we go. Okay, so we have a login. Let's just do test and test. Authentication failed. Message. This almost looks like it's vulnerable to XSS. How am I doing? Jesus, sorry about that. Come on, Inspector. Please inspect. So it is vulnerable to some kind of... Interesting. I don't think this is... Oh my god, what? How did that happen? What? Why did that suddenly do a Google search? I can't put... Hang on, okay, Zap... You said someone from Zap's in the chat, right? You guys need to fix this. Why can't... What? How does this even... Spaces aren't allowed in URLs anymore? There we go. Okay, I got XSS. Okay,
Thank you for following.
I don't think they're... I think that's probably just a non-issue. Let's see... Where's the post request to login? Let's send this to requester. You know his URL and code. Yeah, but I don't want to. It should automatically do that. That's the thing. Okay, so what happens if we put like a single quote here? We get nothing? Using the workstation username and password. Oh, is it supposed to be like Reese or something? swear, this is going to make me do an all 1 equals 1. I'm going to be really annoyed. What happened? Why did authentication failed happen? That's interesting. Because it doesn't happen here. What am I missing? Well, yeah, no, I know Reese with a capital R. My question is more... How is it doing the redirect? I'm really confused. Oh, wait. Oh, it's not... That's why. Oh. I'm not even looking at the damn thing correctly. That's really annoying. Okay. So... This is really confusing. Why is it a 30... This is a 304, sorry, 302, this request, but when I resend it, and I don't change anything, why do I get a 200 OK? It's JavaScript based? That doesn't make any sense, though. Like, this is a 302 found. Right? There should be no, like, this is server. If I resend this entire request, there's no reason why, unless something's different. Something must be different. No. Yes, no, I understand that bit. That's not what I'm questioning here. I'm questioning why this is not the same, right? It's basic. This post request was sent, and it gets a 302 found, right? If I send the exact same request using requester, I don't get a 302 found. That doesn't make sense. There's a bug in Zap, or some kind of weirdness in Zap, and I hope the guy who's developing Zap is still here. Because that's weird, right? Please tell me if I'm doing something wrong, but, like, the fact is, if I resend a request that's always getting a 302 found... I mean, let's just try it in Burp, because honestly, yeah, this is confusing. Really confusing, in fact. Come on. Okay, so if I do Reese and test, authentication failed. All right, so if we go back to, here we go. Okay, so you see we have a post request that results in a 302 found. There are no cookies or anything, so it's nothing like that. Yeah, in Burp it works. Zap doesn't tell you when to redirect? I mean, oh, that might be why. Is Zap automatically redirecting me? Oh, it is. That's really confusing. There we go. That's really confusing. That it does it by default. I would say don't do that by default. I need to add that to the list of stuff. Actually, maybe I did. Yeah, I'm gonna report that to. I have a good rapport with the Zap guys. I was testing their. I was giving them feedback on how like pen testers use Zap. So they've already changed a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure if it's in this new version, but like, yeah, they've changed this. One thing I pointed out to them was like you have this like include in context here, and then you have run application, then you have include site in context, and then you have flag as context, and then you have exclude from context. So this in the latest version of Zap, they've fixed this. They've basically reorganized this entire right click so that all the context stuff is collected together. Because it realistically makes no freaking sense to have include in context separated from include site in context, separated from flag as context, right? Why have we got this request editor thing here? But yeah, this was confusing. All right, so that makes more sense then. I mean, I guess we just do all 1 equals 1. Didn't work. Love to see it. Do we... Look, I told you this last time. It's okay to do all 1 equals 1 in CTFs. I'm guessing we have to just like maybe hunt for some stuff. We'll use Ferox Buster again. Word list is going to be... It'll be clipped, it's fine. I can just delete the clip. Okay, doesn't look like they're doing any actual extensions, so let's just try this. Oh, it's recursion. Damn it, I don't want to recurse. Do -n, I think, right? Yeah, do not recurse. This is obviously a clue, but I don't know how we do this. You know? Very strange. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's just workstation. That would be funny. It's not, thank God. Try other authentication. I mean, yeah, that's... The issue is how. I think 30 minutes is up anyway, so I can actually go back to using using burp. So there's no server information. That's the interesting thing. I didn't check. Do we have source code? I don't think we do. It'd usually be downloadable here. So interestingly, brute force, yeah, but that seems weird. Thanks, Jessica. I love you. Jessica redeemed Zap again. Should we we'll put a stream timer up. Okay. I wonder if we just delete the password, what happens? Nothing. Everything is like authentication failed. That's really weird. Life without Zap is pointless and empty. The wild authentication bypasses? I mean, I've got to think about how, like, we even, like, I'm not even sure how we even start. Is this going to be something stupid like LDAP or something? Oh god, please tell me it's not LDAP. I fucking hate LDAP. That's the stupid thing is I'm not very good at LDAP because it's not ever implemented. Come on. Oh, this is a really bad example. Oh, it's literally just fucking asterisk. If it's just asterisk. Fuck you. No. This is fucking bullshit. Fucking hate this. This is the stupid machine.
Prime.
Thank you for the prime. We're not done yet, though.
Thank you for following.
Okay, so let's just see what we have here then. Can we just do the same goddamn thing here? No. Error end of file. Ooh, that's interesting. I don't really like how it how you can't go back. You have to use username brute force. I don't think I did because I just got access. Right? Also, I assume this session is. Let's use Cyber Chef. This might be... No, it's not base 32, is it? Interesting, though. Yeah, I got Reese. Look, we are Reese. There we go. Okay. Okay. So... I don't know what we're supposed to do with this then. Unless we're supposed to do some weird ass SQL injection. There's not like flag hidden here. What are we supposed to do here? Was there a, sometimes there's a description, I guess. I guess not in this instance. We're supposed to find the but I mean, we can find the password easily, that's the thing. I don't quite get it. Is the password the flag? It seems silly that like there would be a, because we're already Reese. It seems silly that there would be something after the like this search thing, right? If we were supposed to grab the password. So I mean, the easiest way to do the is to do this, is to do Reese. Right, so we know that Reese, right, has a password like that. But if we do something like this, yeah, so it's going to be something like hack the box. Yeah, this is what we do. Yeah, it's a stupid password enumeration. Basically, it's just a wildcard. Alright, so we gotta send this to fuzzing. Script it. I mean, no, it would take longer to script it than it would to fuzz, I think. So we want to fuzz. Oh god, hang on, remove. I think that'll do. Okay. Yeah, okay, here we go. So now all we need to do is just look for the one with the response size. There we go. So now we know it's a D. Where'd the fuzzing go? Please tell me the fuzz is still here. How do I get the fuzzer back? New fuzzer? No. Where's... Someone who knows how to use Zap. Where's the fuzzer gone? Like I wanna just refuzz this. How do I do it? Get it. Do I have to? All right. I mean, I'm just gonna. If I swear the fuzzer just didn't disappear, does it? No, I didn't get it back. That's not what I want. I just want to get the original fuzzer back. Am I on Twitch? Yes. Twitch.tv/0x-Tiberius. I like want to I just want to open the fuzzer config I had. I want to modify the request and I just want to resend it. That should be a relatively simple thing. Honestly, this is why nobody uses Zap. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to use burp because. At least burp doesn't take stuff away from me. It's not even pro. It'd be fine though. It's not that bad. Brute force probably just need underscores as well. Actually, is there? Probably is the thing. We asked for Zap, but do you really want me just to right click? Okay, it's going to take half an hour because every time we find a letter, I'm going to have to right click. I'm going to have to click fuzz, right? I'm going to have to delete this thing, I'm going to have to put my cursor here. I'm going to have to click add. I'm going to have to click add again. I'm going to have to go down to regex. I'm going to have to add A to Z, 0 to 9, underscore. Add. Okay. Start fuzzer, because apparently it just disappears. Like, I can't get this back? Maybe if I do this? Nope. So, like, what do you want, guys? I don't want to code it in Python. What's the point of coding in Python? Oh, fine then. We'll do it in Python. Oh, so annoying. All right. Fine. Okay. Oh. So we need to do... What's the URL? Okay. So I guess it's gonna be like the box something D something, wasn't it? D1? Is that a 1 or an L? Oh, we'll just start from here. Alright, so I guess is that. And then what we're going to do is... there's a strings import, wasn't there? Python string library. The author fucked it up. I don't get why. Okay, string. So if we do import string, and then we do something like chars equals string dot ASCII lowercase. Is that actually? Can we just do like? I mean, ASCII letters. I think we can do plus digits plus that. When we do for C in chars print C, I think. Let's just see if that works. Okay, gonna go to home. Login.py. Lovely. Yes, that's a good point. We should actually also add... Bit. Can I actually just do this as well? Will that work? Lovely. Okay, cool. I didn't use no. I know I didn't. I was just printing out stuff. All right. We can do found equals false. Then we can do while not found. Oh, hang on. While not found. C and Charles, we do this. Then what we're going to do is take password equals guess plus equals C. Yep, that's good. And then what we're going to do is, I think, data equals username Reese. Password. Oh, I need plus equals C plus an asterisk. That's important. Have you ever tried GitHub's Copilot? No, because I don't think GitHub should be scanning projects and using AI and that kind of crap. I disagree fundamentally with Copilot existing. There's licensing issues with it, so I don't use it. I also think it's gonna ruin programming because you're gonna get people who don't know how to program. They just know how to use GitHub Copilot. Like I think Katie from Inside a PhD really highlighted. So I did an interview with her a few months ago, but she really highlighted the big issue is if we rely too much on AI, eventually, like AI in 5 years is going to stop being trained on AI generated content, and we might not know that the content it's being trained on is going to be AI, right? So the issue is it's just going to get degraded over time. If AI is being trained on AI generated content, that's just going to end up at some point it's going to be degraded. Okay, so requests. What is the asterisk? So the asterisk is a wild card. All right, so basically we're doing LDAP injection basically. So the asterisk is a wild card. All right. So what did? So they're all 302 founds, but I think the request has a set cookie. So I think we can just do if set cookie in r.headers, I think. Print. Let's just print r. And then we just do found equals true. Just to get out of this. Let's just see if this even does anything. No, okay. Well, can I use a plus equals? Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I guess I should probably... Oh, God. Can't even type now. Okay. So I think it's going to be D1, right? Yeah, it didn't work. Okay, what we'll do is the password. Let's just use a proxy to see what's going on. HTTP 127.0.0.1 should give us that. So let's just run it again. Oh, I need to set redirect to false, I think. Python requests redirect false. Allow redirects equals false. There we go. Why did I press caps lock? Okay, that should work. Slightly quicker now as well. There we go. We got a response 302. So I think actually now we can just do if r dot I think it's just status code equals 302. I think. Oh no, it printed it. What am I doing? I just my code, my thing didn't. Okay, hang on. That worked. That worked. So I just don't need to print it. What we can do is we don't need found equals true. We need to do okay, if C is a single is that, then we can do found equals true, and we can break. Yep. Else we need to do guess equals, oh sorry, plus equals C, and then we can iterate around again. I think that should work. Okay. So let's just print out so now it should find it. Playing Helldivers 2 yet? No. What about focusing on Port Speakers Academy? Yeah, we do. So we had a vote at the beginning of the stream. And everyone wanted Hack the Box. Web App Wednesdays, we usually do web app stuff. There we go. Much nicer. But yeah, I haven't done Helldivers 2. I don't know, I'm not really interested in it, to be honest. I play a lot of video games, but like right now this is too many. That's true. Yeah, Raft is a big one right now. There we go. That was okay. Yeah, it was very easy, but it was kind of annoying. Oh crap! There we go. Yeah, Zap needs a bit of work on the fuzzer, I think. Especially the fact it just disappears, like vanishes, and you can't just reload it again unless I'm just not using Zap right. I don't know. That's my main issue with Zap is usability is kind of trash at the moment. It's like the fuzzer is a powerful thing, but like the fact you can't really reopen it. It's weird. Like why can't I like replay this one? You know? Kind of annoying. All right, GoPro redeem solve a Rubik's cubes. We'll do that. That's the top 10 OWASP path? What do you mean? All right, let's do Rubik's cube redeem. Okay, we have a Rubik's cube that is. There we go. Oh. See through. All right. I will close my eyes and scramble the damn thing. Is that scrambled enough for everyone? Hopefully it is. Alright, let's solve this. So slippery. There we go. Solved.
Thank you for following.
Easy mode. Correct. Okay, right. Pick a lock. Oh god, I haven't got my lock stuff set up. I'm gonna have to reject that one. Yeah, I honestly, today's stream was a bit chaotic just because, you know, stuff. I give you points back though. Alright, well, we've probably got time for one more. Yeah, no, it's fine. I was feeling a bit ill earlier. I'm okay to stream. I just, a lot of stuff started failing. Wheel spin. We can do a wheel spin. Yeah, like my mic started failing earlier, and I was like, oh god. So, yeah, the stream did not get off to a good start, but whatever. Nothing's going on. I'm fine. I'm streaming, so it's all good. Twitch VIP to streamer spinner. Let's do VIP to the D2. Already a VIP. Oh, okay. We got a respin then. Inspired you to pick locks. Awesome. Cat time. Hey, get cat time. All right. D2. What cat do you want? Raven or Arya? No idea. The one close. They're both the same distance away. They're both downstairs somewhere.
Thank you for following.
Thank you for following up, Vivek. Are you into binary? No. No binary exploitation, unfortunately. Pick 2 small master padlocks today. Awesome. Well done. Where it starts. We will do. I'll let next stream Wednesday probably. I'll set up. I'll make sure everything's set up for lockpicking. It's just a bit chaotic right now. I opened a real lock too. It was as simple as a clear one apparently. Looking for locks now. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Lockpicking is so much fun. All right. I mean, just name a cat. Arya or Raven. Pick one at random. Raven. All right. Raven is a fan favorite, so a lot of people are very happy you picked Raven. All right, hang on. I'll be right back. All right. Here's Raven. What kind of chair is that? I don't know. A Habada? It's like a gaming chair. Very nice. Say hi, Raven. Hi. Oh, she's struggling. Oh. What's wrong? You don't let me tickling you? Ah. Oh. Raven. Stop it. Stop it, honey. Alright. I'll let it go. Aww. Oh, right. That was cat time. All right, more web stuff. Just to give... No, she doesn't. Yes, I'll be at DEF CON this year. I will always be at DEF CON. That's pretty much a rule. Have you ever used the sneak extension in VS Code? Yes. It's not very good. Alright, I guess we'll do Love Talk. Okay, this one has files. Interesting. Hack the box. So I'm guessing we have to add a folder to our workspace, this one. Okay, so this is a code review sort of. Okay, so the flag has like a random. The flag is at a random location. That's interesting. Okay, it's going to be PHP. Wait, is this... Oh, this is kind of the same... Okay. This is just an eval. It's very similar to one we had before, I think. It is slightly different, so it's okay, I guess. But the timer is up, so I can use burp again. And I will turn off Zap just so we don't get any more. Okay, so basically we have this format thing passed to here. It looks like we can control the format, right? The Certic controller. Yeah, so we can control the format. Which means basically we have this string. So if we copy this string out here and replace all this with, I don't know, just do so format, and then this thing we don't have any control over. Okay, so I don't know, dot dot dot. So this is going to be... We have control over this. And this is going to be executed as PHP code. So the first thing we obviously want to do is escape out of this double quote. So our format needs to at least have a double quote. Now we probably want to do... We probably want to give it an actual thing here. Right, so we want to use whatever it gives us, like 4R or something. That's fine. Then we want to do that. Then let's just give it a 0. Right, so basically we want to complete this date object. So then we can do this. And then I bet we can just do something silly like a dot to concatenate, and then the string. Let's just do Tiberius. Then a semicolon, and finally 2 of these to comment out the rest of this. So let's just try that. Did that work or not? I guess it didn't. What happens if we just do this then? Come on. Oh, it's using ad. Oh, hang on. Is it using ad slashes? All right, so it's using ad slashes on the format. Right, okay, so ad slashes does something interesting. So ad slashes returns. All right. Well, that's... So I wonder if we can do... Here's what I'm thinking. So it's going to add slashes to everything, but... I need to think about this one. This is slightly more complicated, I guess. I'm wondering if we can do something silly like put in like another get parameter. Something like that. Like, what happens if we put that in? No, that doesn't work, does it? So the issue is this add slashes. Anything we add like that is a double quote, a single quote, a backslash, it's gonna add backslashes to it. I'm probably missing something really obvious. Can we add backslashes? Well, I don't think so, because the issue is anything that is going to get backslashed. So backslashes are going to get backslashed. Right?
Thank you for following.
So, like, if we add this... If we add a backslash to this, it just gets backslashed. Although, no, hang on, maybe. No, alright. I'm probably overthinking this. I just don't...
Thank you for following.
What is... What are we supposed to do here? I think I'm just overthinking it, but I'm honestly I'm a bit confused about how we get past this add slashes. So basically, yeah, anything we do with add slash. So I mean, without add slashes, the challenge is very easy, right? Because we can basically control anything in here. And so what we do is we could like put like an R with a quote, do that. But it's something like this as our input, right, would result in the string that's executed being this, right? So basically, it would just execute date R 0 there, and everything after this would be commented out. Right? So at that point, what you could do is you could do something like dot, and then we could do something like system, and I don't know, ID or something, right? The issue though is that anytime we use one of these, what's going to happen is it's going to get backslashed, like that. And if we try and backslash it, our backslash is going to get backslashed like that. So the only other thing I can think of, we are in double quotes. Double quotes are special in PHP because we can reference variables. Okay. So but I still don't understand what we're supposed to do here. Like if we passed it this, right? So if we passed it the variable this. Yeah, we get a 500. If you use one, no, if like I said, if we use slashes, it will add one. So like if we do this, it's going to add a slash to our slash, and it's going to add a slash to our double quote. 69 seconds. What do you mean? Why is everyone talking about 69? This thing? Yeah, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, yeah, it is very, very
Nice.
format is being passed into eval, yeah. But within quotes that we can't escape. We can't do something stupid like... No. Oh, there's some easy solution. I'm just not seeing it. Because I'm trying to wrap my head around these quotes. Unless there's like is there a thing we can do with the date? I doubt it, but... Is there a way we can execute commands via date? Oh, I'm so confused. Damn, comments from 20 freaking years ago. What's going on with this one? Why can't I figure this one out? The ad slashes just through me. Hi, Hacker Solo. I'm very confused right now. Can you explain a little bit? I mean, there's really nothing to explain. We can pass a format string into this date function, but our format string is being any double quotes, single quotes, and backslashes in the format string are going to be backslashed because it passes through this add slashes function. So it's not as simple as just escaping from the date function. The thing is, I don't think the date function has any dangerous content. Like the format. Yeah, the date is quite innocuous. It's quite a simple function. must be missing something really obvious. I'm sorry about this. Like, what happens if I do that? Wait, can we just... Wait, can we just oh my god, is it simple as just executing freaking commands? But why is that? I'm trying to figure that out from a code level though. Like, why is... I'm trying to understand this because honestly it doesn't really make any sense to me. Like, so we can just do this? No, hang on. No, it's not that simple. Why does that work, though? Okay, so that works, but why? Why does that work? I've never seen that syntax before, to be honest with you. That's really weird. Why does that syntax work? It's being eval, yeah, but why does that dollar sign syntax work? I've never seen that in an eval before. Can you use... Maybe I'm forgetting how eval works, but I thought you couldn't... Like, dollar sign obviously works for a variable. But why does dollar sign surrounded by... So basically what's happening is if we do PHP here, dash A, I think, right? So we're saying if we eval dollar sign Yeah, why? Well, that doesn't work. Oh, no, it's quoted. Sorry, it's quoted. Interesting. Okay. I don't think I've seen... Because obviously if we just did... Like, the issue here was it was in a date function. And... Hang on a minute. Yeah, we were inside... I mean, I guess let's just do this. So basically, we were here. Let's just do a string to time. I don't know. Whatever. This was irrelevant, actually. We could just do a 0 here. This would have been backslash, basically. Yeah, so, like, we were in here. Wait, what? Oh, hang on. I think I have to exit. What's going on? Why is this not working? Unexpected equals? Why is there an unexpected equals? That shouldn't happen. Time isn't set? Well, of course it's not set. It's being generated by this. Oh, it's single quoted. Crap, hang on. Alright, 2 secs, hang on. I'm just honestly trying to figure out why this... Right, so let's just copy the line, honestly. Because honestly, I'm not going to learn anything if I don't... So basically... Let's just use a 0 in place of this string to time. Because honestly... That's just going to make things a lot simpler. Realistically, we have no control over the string to time thing anyway. So if we do this, and let's just put an R there, that's the default. Okay, now it works. So now if we echo time, we get that. So the thing here is obviously if we do some... So why does R's error? Interesting. I've never... Maybe I did know about that. I just don't... Why does that do that, though? Why does surrounding $sign... PHP eval injection, I guess we should look at. Like, why does that... I think I'm so used to PHP eval executing PHP code, but I never thought that you could just surround a function call with a $sign and... Like, why does that work? Hactrix PHP Eva. Let's just look at Hactrix's page. Does this have anything on $that? Yeah, there we go. Oh, because it's okay. Oh. Okay, so hang on. Is it so you can do Gotcha. Okay, so it's the weird. Okay, so I kind of okay, right. I understand. So I guess I didn't realize you could do the same thing with the curly braces. But I don't think you can do this though, right? No. Okay. So there's a weird, so there's a weird thing in PHP, which is this, which is kind of related. So effectively, if you define the variable x as dA, so it's basically because variables have $signs. If you have the variable x as dA, right, or da, I guess, and then you can technically define this syntax, which is basically what this syntax is. It's defining a variable called dA, right? Because $x is the string dA, what $x does is it defines a variable dA set to drums. It's the same as bash code, kind of. And so you see here, even though we never specified, we never told it that there was a $DA, right, in code, it dynamically assigns it.
Thank you for following.
And you can, I guess, can do this like that as well. This is really confusing, but yeah. Cool. Okay. So yeah, what we do is we can just call system and then pass it the CMD argument, and then just do ID, and you get that. Yeah, okay, that kind of makes sense now. All right. Well, that was interesting. I guess I'd never thought about that thing before. PHP is weird. Oh, I'm gonna put that as like a... That wasn't that easy. That was not too easy. I guess because you have to know about that trick. Interesting though. Interesting little command injection, kind of code injection. Are there any questions about that? That is, yeah, unfortunately that one took way longer than I thought it was gonna. Using a variable value is a different yeah, it's very, that was very confusing. Any questions? Now that I kind of understand it anyway. You post the injection in the chat? Yeah. So it's basically this. Yeah, I guess I'd never... I guess it does make sense that you can do that. It's kind of weird though. And literally the only reason that works is because double quotes are used here. So if these were single quotes, this wouldn't work. All right. Who are we gonna raid? Oh, Gar's on. What's Gar doing? We're gonna raid Gar. This is the challenge mode. Okay, we're gonna raid Gar7, friend of the stream. Friend of mine. Cool. Appreciate everybody sticking around. Yeah, sorry the last challenge was a bit complicated. I'll remember that trick. That was kind of cool. All right, gonna shut the stream ending screen up. Please follow me on Twitter, join my Discord server, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and follow me on Twitch. All right, raid message. What's the raid message going to be? Actually, okay, here's what the raid message is going to be. It's going to be, where's the whip?
Thank you for following.
Okay, so copy that. Where's the whip? Unfortunately, if you're not watching on Twitch, you can't do the raid, but basically, as soon as we raid, spam that message. Well, don't spam, but paste that message in chat. He'll know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you'll find out. All right. Appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you probably on Wednesday. Or Web App Wednesday. Alright, let's go raid Gar.